To make a post shareable in a Facebook group, you need to ensure that the group's privacy settings allow sharing. So first you're going to check if the group is public or private. So in a public group, posts are typically shareable by default, meaning that any member, even non-members, can share them. However, if the group is private, the shareability of posts is more restricted. In a private group, only members can share posts, and even then, they can only share the content within the group itself, not outside of it. Okay? So if you're an admin of the group, you can manage the group settings to allow for limit sharing. So, for example, if you want to encourage sharing of posts, you may want to keep the group public. If the group is private and you want to enable members to share posts outside the group, you'll need to change the group's privacy settings to public, which will make all posts visible and shareable by anyone. All right, so as a general member, you can't control the shareability of a post beyond the group's settings. However, if you're a member of a public group, you can freely share posts with your friends or on your own timeline, provided the post doesn't have any restrictions placed by the original poster. All right, let me know if this helped.